Hi everyone, my name is Home. Today I introduce my dream city. Here are Model City. Uh, Here are Chungkin Street, Hong Kong Street. On the road, bus stations. Uh, these are intersections. Around the intersection of the stadium, hospital, schools, police station, hotel, apartment, Vina Connect 1, park, cinema, pharmacy, apartment, Vina Connect 2, hotel, apartment, Vina Connect 3, toy shops, bookstore, shop center, supermarkets. So that this intersection is considered the city center. More people here are very friendly. This is my dream city. Thank you for listening.